kids, look! Magic bubbles!
Magic bubbles?
Wow!
So soft, so shiny, and round as can be.
Let's make some bubbles for everyone to see.
Pop, pop, bubble, yeah! How is it made? Let's find out. How is it made? Let's shout.
Didadu TV.
Here we go.
Use the blue clay, clear and bright.
For the magic water, a beautiful sight.
We squeeze, we grind, we mix it all.
Making it sturdy, making it tall.
Roll around bowl and a stick to blow.
Squeeze it, mix it, clay is fun.
Squish it down until it's done.
Ping, pop, done. How is it made? Let's find out. How is it made? Let's shout. Didadu TV. Here we go.
Use the white clay for the slippery soap.
Blowing big bubbles.
Full of hope! Use the rainbow clay for a shiny glow.
Watch them float, watch them go.
Floating up, floating down.
Yeah!
Are we ready to blow some bubbles?
Yes, we made them with clay.